The boy was very young when he first felt something was wrong. He lived in a small house near a quiet road. The house was old but warm. The man he called father lived with him and his mother. This man spoke little and smiled less. He went to work early and came back late. The boy tried to talk to him every day. He wanted love and care. But the man never listened. The boy felt alone even when the house was full. He did not know why his heart felt heavy. He thought this was normal life. He did not know any other kind of father. Every morning the boy woke up early. He got ready for school by himself. His mother was kind but always tired. She cooked and cleaned all day. She did not talk much either. The father ate food in silence. He did not ask about school. He did not ask about feelings. The boy watched other children with their fathers. Some fathers laughed. Some held hands. The boy felt pain inside. He asked his mother once why his father was so cold. She looked away and said nothing. Her eyes were wet. The boy did not ask again. At school the boy tried to be strong. He studied hard and followed rules. Teachers liked him. But inside, he felt empty. When other children talked about their fathers, he stayed quiet. He felt shame for no reason. Sometimes he wished his father would hug him. Sometimes he wished his father would say his name with love. At night he lay in bed and listened to sounds outside. He dreamed of a warm voice calling him son. He woke up with tears many times. Still, he never spoke about it. One day a new teacher came to the school. The teacher was kind and calm. He spoke slowly and smiled often. He asked students about their lives. When he looked at the boy, his eyes were soft. The boy felt safe for the first time. After class, the teacher asked the boy to stay. He asked about home. The boy tried to answer but his voice broke. He felt scared and free at the same time. The teacher did not push. He only listened. That day the boy felt a small light inside his heart. Weeks passed and the teacher became important to the boy. He talked to him after school. He asked about dreams and fears. The boy slowly opened his heart. He talked about his silent father. He talked about pain and confusion. The teacher listened without anger or shock. He said that feelings are real and important. He said it is okay to feel sad. The boy felt understood. He felt lighter. He did not know why, but he felt like the teacher cared like a real father. At home things stayed the same. The father was still cold. He never asked where the boy went. He never asked about the teacher. One night the boy heard his parents talking quietly. He heard his name. He heard crying. He did not understand the words. His heart beat fast. The next day his mother was quiet and pale. She hugged the boy longer than usual. The boy felt something was coming. He felt fear and hope together. He went to school with a heavy mind. That afternoon the teacher asked the boy to come with him. They went to a quiet room. The boy saw his mother there. Her eyes were red. She asked the boy to sit. Her hands were shaking. She told him the truth slowly. She said the man at home was not his real father. The boy felt the world stop. His ears rang. His heart dropped. He felt confused and lost. The teacher held his hand. The boy cried hard for the first time. The mother explained with pain. She said she was young and afraid long ago. She said she made a mistake. The real father left before the boy was born. The man at home agreed to raise the boy. But he never loved him fully. The mother cried and said sorry again and again. The boy felt anger and sadness. He felt betrayed. He felt empty. But he also felt relief. Now he knew why he always felt different. Now the pain had a name. The boy did not go home that day. He stayed with the teacher and his mother. The teacher spoke gently. He said family is not only blood. He said love is action and care. The boy listened but felt broken. He asked who his real father was. The mother said she did not know where he was now. The boy felt another loss. That night he slept at his aunt's house. He stared at the ceiling. His life felt strange and new. Days passed slowly. The boy did not speak much. At home the man tried to talk for the first time. His voice was weak. He said he tried his best. The boy did not answer. He was not ready. At school the teacher stayed close. He did not force words. He just stayed. The boy felt safe near him. He started to understand that care can come from different people. He started to heal little by little. Pain was still there, but it was softer. One evening the boy's mother told him something more. She said the teacher was his real father. The boy felt shock again. His heart beat fast. The teacher looked down with tears. He said he was young and scared before. He said he watched the boy from far away. He said he wanted to protect him now. The boy felt many emotions. Anger, love, fear, hope. He did not know what to say. He needed time. The boy stayed quiet for many days. He watched the teacher carefully. He saw kindness in his actions. He saw patience. He saw care. Slowly trust grew. One day the boy called him father. The word felt strange but warm. The teacher cried. The boy felt peace for the first time. He understood that the wrong father raised him, but the right father found him later. Life was not perfect, but it was real and honest. Years passed. The boy grew strong and kind. He learned that truth can hurt, but it can also heal. He learned that love is shown, not said. He forgave the man who raised him. He loved the father who stayed. His heart was full. He knew his story was painful, but it made him who he was. He walked forward with hope. He knew he was not alone anymore.